Let's learn how to download TikTok on your Windows PC using Microsoft Store. So, let's get started. To begin, go to Start or Windows on the bottom left corner of PC or laptop screen. Now, search for Microsoft Store on your Windows search bar and open it. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, use the search bar to look for TikTok. You'll see the TikTok app in the search results. Click on it to open the app page. And then click Get button to download and install TikTok on your PC. It will automatically download TikTok app. Once the download is complete, you can launch or open up the application. Now, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account to start enjoying TikTok on the big screen. If I close this application, you can find this app on the Windows search bar. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded TikTok on your Windows PC. Now you can explore and enjoy all the exciting content TikTok has to offer right on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.